Clear Brow, North Dallas, 2026 Tesla Model 3 full front XPEL Ultimate Plus. So fenders, hood, bumper, lenses, mirrors, that's all paint protection film, and then full tint, doors, quarter, and rear glass all in one piece like always. XR Plus. All this is excuse me, 20%. And when we do these doors, we like to get our edges really tight instead of having a big line. Just looks a lot better instead of having I've seen some of them where there's gaps like that. But let's go over the PPF. What we do is obviously first thing we do is a full decontamination wash, and then we get it inside, do a polish, and you'll see this hood came out one of the better ones I've ever seen. All the dust nibs that were in the clear coat, we were able to get all those out through the polishing process and Iron X in it. And we always remove the emblems so we don't use a pattern. No patterns, everything's custom. So the PPF goes over the emblem goes over the PPF. All our edges are fully wrapped. You'll see there's no edges on top. Everything looks fantastic. And coming around the back side here, everything's wrapped into the A-pillar. Everything, no lines at all. Back side of the hood fully wrapped in, so you got 100% coverage all the way down, all the way around the camera, all the way under here. All this is wrapped under this plastic. Everything is perfectly protected, 100%, 100%, 100%. No patterns. We don't do pre-cut kits. Everything gets done, so every edge and corner is fully wrapped. Mirrors, fully around, all the way around, and this edge 100%. And that's about it. So there it is, a 2026 Tesla Model 3. Don't see a lot of these much, see a lot of Ys, but there it is. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com. So we are ClearBrowNorthDallas@gmail for our email, and phone number 214-414-3809. 214-414-3809. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment. Give me a call. If you need a cell, that's 940-703-8301. And that's this one. Moving on to the next one, way over there, a Vet. I'm going to start. And then there's a Targa finishing up also. I do like 3 cars or 4 at a time. So you guys have a great day out there. Thanks for following us at ClearBrowNorthDallas.com. Take care.